Hello guys, this is Computer Age, and today I received a parcel from Shop Clues, and inside is a power bank from Ambrane company. This is a very cheap power bank, and its capacity is 10,000 milliamperes, so it's a good buy, and I got it at the price of 718. As you can see here, it's just available at the rate of 718 on Shop Clues. You can go there and buy this product. I will now go and take this cover off and see what's inside. So let's set up. I have my scissor here, and here I am just ripping it off, and here you can see. Alright, let's start from the top. Alright, let's start from here. Okay, you can see the packaging is very good. You can see the cushioning inside. It has supported all the way, and guess what? Okay, the company pack is very good. As you can see, it's I've got this label here. It's Digimate, and this is a real product. This is what I've got from there. You can see at the back it's written. It has got 10,000 milliamps of capacity, and you can see the original price here. It's 799. So this is a good buy, and you can see the capacity here is 10,000 mAh. So you can go and buy this. I have brought this version, blue and white. Now there are lots of versions available, pink and blue. So let's start and see what's inside. How is the product and how is the build quality? Alright. Okay. It's quite heavy, and at the top it's written there rapid charging. That means fast charging. And there's a seal here. One more seal here. Okay, so this is the power bank I have been looking for. What's that at the back? Earphones? Oh god, where is the cable? I can't believe it. They haven't provided the cable. Wow. And what is this? Ambrane, contact us on this. And what is that? Okay, they are selling these products, smart cables, BT phones, Bluetooth headphones, chargers, and earphones, Bluetooth speakers, wireless wired headphones. So this is it. Now let's see what's inside. This is the real package. Okay, it's quite heavy, and right away it is it's on. You can see here. Okay, now it's off. At the back you can see it has capacity of 10,000 milliamps, and it provides two outputs. One of 5 volt and 1.5 amperes, and second of 5 volts and 2.1 amperes. Here you can see there are 3 USB ports and 1 mini USB port. That's for charging. And this one is, these two are the outputs, and third I don't know what it may be of. And the top also you can see there's battery, I guess. Yes, this is a battery. And these are the LED indicators. Maybe one is for charging, second is for discharging, and third is for charging the phone. So this is it you'll get out of this box. I think it's a good buy, 720 rupees. It's quite affordable. So this is guys, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.